How to withdraw money from MarketCap. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily withdraw money from CoinMarketCap. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your MarketCap account and make sure that you are logged into it. And once you're logged in, you just want to head over to the Markets tab and you'll be able to see all of the market caps right here. And then from here, you just want to head over to your portfolio and then go ahead and tap on any of your portfolio. So if you want to completely create a new one, that's all right, or continue with the existing portfolio, that's all right as well. So in that case, what you want to do is simply tap on the portfolio bottom at the and then tap on the options at the top left corner. From there, you can add a new portfolio or just continue with a new one. And if you want to create a new portfolio, you can connect to a wallet. You simply have to paste your wallet address here and name your portfolio. And instead of this, what you can also do is connect to your Binance account and easily withdraw money from here. So go ahead and tap on it and then continue with Binance. You just have to log in with your Binance account and you will be able to easily withdraw your money using those wallets. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.